For a while now, I've been getting comments from you guys that I should get myself a drone. Now, if you go back 15 years, I was at the forefront of all things radio control flying, planes, helicopters, and I built and designed some of my own aeroplanes, some even specifically for aerial photography. I mounted cameras in them with servos pressing the focus and shutter buttons, and in that way I managed to get some pretty good aerial pictures. Keep in mind that back in those days you had to actually fly the plane to keep it in the air, and we had none of these fancy self-stabilizing features like on modern drones. If you took your eyes off it, it crashed. So, getting back to the present, I am considering getting a drone eventually, and I plan with drone footage every time I meet someone with a drone. For the moment though, I'm just enjoying the simplicity of my current format and the way I can just talk to the camera as if I'm talking to you standing there next to me. So on this drive we test a bunch of the features of this drone, with the drone tracking us while keeping in front of us. And then letting us pass by it while it continues to track us. Then we also do a test with us climbing up a steep mountain with the drone tracking behind us to see whether it would also gain altitude as we go along. So for now, I hope you're enjoying this drone footage, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.